Hi guys, this is going to be my first YouTube video and it's gonna be an unboxing of the January Boxycharm. So let's see. And the theme for this month are the Boxycharm Awards. And here behind we got a description of all the products and also some little tips you can use. So let's see. The first product I got here is this Adesse Top Coat, and it's supposed to make your glossy nail polish look matte. I'm gonna insert some pictures of before and after of my polish. The next product we have here is a Konjac Sponge, and this is supposed to be used as an exfoliator in your skin. So instead of using like a exfoliator cream, you can use this. You have to damp it with water and then just apply it to your face. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. And I also received this SoSusan Cosmetics fan brush, and this is supposed to be used for highlight, and we're gonna be trying it today since I also received this Vintage Cosmetics highlight. So this is the highlight. It's a duo and you receive two colors: chocolate diamond and rose quartz. I got some swatches here on my hand. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to insert some pictures too. And the last product is going to be this Pur Cosmetics Mineral Glow Bronzer. So now I'm going to be applying the bronzer and the highlight on camera just so you can get a first look of what it's like. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my cell phone as a mirror to apply the products. Okay, so let's see. Okay. And now we're gonna be applying the Vintage Cosmetics highlight using my SoSusan Cosmetics brush. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the darker shade, Chocolate Diamond. Like, this is not the first time I receive a highlight from this brand, the Vintage Cosmetics. And I have to say that this highlight is more pigmented than the previous one. The other shade I received was the Rose Gold, and that's a little more subtle. This is more pigmented, and I really like it actually. Okay, so this is it for this video. I really like this Boxycharm. Like, I think I'm gonna be using all the products, so that's really a good thing. You pay $21 for the subscription, and at the end you get $100 worth of products. So that's why I really like it. I've been receiving Boxycharm boxes since September. So if you want to see some of the previous boxes, you can know down in the comments, and also you can tell me what kind of videos you want to see so I can make it happen. And that's it. Hope you really enjoyed this video and you subscribe to my channel. Bye!
Shout out to the camera woman.
Okay, so this is the last product that I received. I'm quite happy with my... Oh, no it isn't. It is. Where's the bronzer? Skinny tea. Okay, so this is gonna be... No, okay. So, how will I finish the video?
It was like that the first time.
It will be an unboxing of the Jan. Okay. That highlight is good. Like, finally I have something glowy in my life.
But all the bronzer